All right, we're going to set up this lawn aerator real quick here. All right, looks pretty straightforward. We do include some tools here. That's nice. So how this thing works is you just step on it, and these little pokers go down in the lawn and aerate it. So really simple design and really effective. Look at that. So we're just going to go out and poke some holes in the lawn. But first, we're going to set it up. So this guy, doesn't matter which way it goes on, it looks like, just slides on over. Now, one thing we want to make sure of when we're putting this together, put your bolt through here. And on the other side, we want to take this bent washer and put it there. So the nut's going to push against that bent washer. Look here, you got multiple sizes for different heights of people. That's nice. We'll just set this up for the tallest one. All right, it's all together. Took about 2 minutes. Let's go try it out.